Welcome back to the channel, people. My name is Cruz and I'm a Waveful ambassador, and on this channel I teach you tips and tricks and anything I can to help you grow and earn on the app that pays you to socialize, baby. That's right. On Waveful you get paid to socialize. That's right. All the activity that you get on your page, you get earning for that. That's right. You get paid for that. And when you invite friends, you get paid for that. That's right. You're gonna get super likes, you're gonna get bonuses, cash bonuses, super likes. They share 50% of the revenue each month with all the members, and it doesn't matter whether you have one follower or a million followers. It doesn't matter. That doesn't matter here. What matters here is that you interact with others and others interact with you. You see, and the bigger your reach, the more interaction you get, then the bigger you cut when it comes to receiving earnings, because they pay it out to everybody, baby. That's right. 50% of the website's earnings go to all its members, and it's going to be determined. Your portion is going to be determined by how much activity you get on your page. So you need to hear about that. And I'm going to show you right now my stats. I joined April 11th, and I've been inviting people left and right, and I've been social on there, loving on people's pages, and they've been loving on mine, giving out super likes. When they give them to me, I give them to them. I'm just trying to build. You see, I want my reach to be out there. But I want to show you stats here in a second, so you can see what I've done since April 11th, and what you can do too, and more. I believe I believe you can do more. Anyways, here's my stats, and I'll show you some other things as well while we're going through the stats. But yeah, if you want to join, if you're not a member of Waveful yet, you need to see my link in bio or in my comments and go ahead and get on board, because I'm a Waveful ambassador. I give you 2 super likes right off the bat, and if you subscribe and like on this channel, hey, I'll throw another one in there, baby. That's right. And if you join and complete your profile and all that good stuff, I throw in another one, baby. That's right. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back in a minute. Let me show you my stats. Peace. Here's my profile, guys. I wanted to show you my stats. So then to show you that, I go up here to the right hand side, the top little gear there, click the gear, come down here to stats. This shows you my views in the last 7 days, and then my unique viewers. My views is 117,000 in the last 7 days, 43,000 unique viewers in the last 7 days, and 824,000 seconds is my view time in the last 7 days. Then right here at the top, so you see those 2 people. Click on that. This gives you in the last 7 days how many likes I got. 17,500, and then how many comments. 6,025. And then how many super likes I've gotten in the last 7 days. 110. How many people have saved my stuff? 166. How many people have shared my stuff? 90. Not a whole lot. Then up here at the right hand corner shows you what I've currently earned this month, the month of May. That's how much I'm currently making. The previous month I made, I didn't start till the 11th of April, so this is what I made from April to the end of the month. And then this is what I've made so far in this month. So it's going faster and faster. Each month it'll go faster. The more people that join, the more revenue we earn individually. As long as you keep interacting with others, they'll keep interacting with you. And the more activity on your page, the more money you make. So let's go back. As you can see, I've gotten bonuses and different stuff. This is my payout right here. $111.74 that's ready to be withdrawn whenever I'm ready. Down here it shows you my super likes, $11.62. Ad revenue 3 cents. Bonus 9 cents. Total $11.74. And that was for the month of April, from the 11th to the end of the month. Now, this can be done by anybody. You just got to be dedicated to it. Now, if you're just a casual user, that's okay too. You'll still earn. You'll just earn more when you're more active, because the more active you are, the more people notice you, and the more people come and interact with your page. And the more interaction you get, the more you earn. Okay, there you have it, guys. And there you have it, guys. That's my information. Those are my stats right now. And if you join and you're interested in becoming an ambassador, let me know, because I can put the word in for you. We'll get you all mapped out, and then get you signed up to become an ambassador, and we'll blow the top off this baby. That's right. Yes. And remember, don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends, because I'm going to come back every week with information about this great app that pays you to socialize, baby.